In the dark reaches of our solar system, where sunlight barely reaches and temperatures plunge to unimaginable depths, something disturbing is happening. Neptune, once a calm and mysterious blue world on the edge of our known planetary family, is undergoing strange and alarming changes that have left scientists baffled and concerned. Unprecedented storms are tearing across its atmosphere. Bizarre shifts are warping its weather patterns. Strange signals are emerging that defy all known theories of planetary science. What's happening to this distant giant? Why now? And what might these changes reveal about the precarious balance of our own cosmic neighborhood? Welcome back to your channel name, where today we're taking you on a journey to the most distant planet in our solar system, a world in the midst of what some experts are calling a planetary crisis never before witnessed in human history. Before we dive into the mysterious changes unfolding on Neptune right now, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to join our cosmic exploration team. Trust me, what you're about to discover about this distant world will change how you see our entire solar system. To understand what makes Neptune's current behavior so alarming, we need to appreciate just how remarkable it was that humans discovered this planet in the first place. Neptune, the eighth planet from our Sun, remained completely hidden from human eyes until 1846. Think about that for a moment. Just 179 years ago, we didn't even know this massive world existed. Unlike other planets that were visible to ancient civilizations, Neptune lies about 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun, so distant that even powerful early telescopes struggled to spot it among the countless stars. But here's where the story gets fascinating. Neptune wasn't discovered by accident. It was predicted through the sheer power of mathematics and human reasoning. Astronomers in the early 19th century noticed something strange about Uranus's orbit. The seventh planet wasn't following the exact path that Newton's laws of gravity predicted. Something unseen was tugging at it, something massive. Two brilliant mathematicians, Aubin Leverrier in France and John Couch Adams in England, independently calculated where this mysterious planet should be, based solely on its gravitational effects. They were essentially finding a planet with nothing but equations and logic. On September 23, 1846, astronomers at the Berlin Observatory pointed their telescope to the exact spot Leverrier had indicated, and there it was, a new world, previously unknown to humanity. Imagine that moment of discovery, the first time human eyes beheld this distant blue world. It was one of astronomy's greatest triumphs, proving that the human mind could reach far beyond our physical limitations to uncover the universe's secrets. They named this new world Neptune, after the Roman god of the sea, a fitting choice for a planet whose deep azure color evoked the depths of Earth's oceans. Neptune's orbit is so vast that it takes 165 Earth years to complete a single journey around the Sun. Think about what that means. Neptune hasn't even completed a full orbit since we discovered it. The planet is currently finishing its first known loop around the Sun, with its first complete Neptune year since discovery set to end in 2011. For decades, Neptune held the title of the most distant planet in our solar system. The discovery of Pluto briefly changed that, and then debates over Pluto's planetary status once again shifted Neptune's standing in our cosmic neighborhood. Today, Neptune firmly holds its title as our solar system's outermost major planet, a distant sentinel at the edge of our planetary family. But as we're about to discover, this remote world is far from a quiet observer. Let me ask you this: what do you think it would feel like to stand on the surface of a world so distant that the Sun appears as just another bright star? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If we could peel back Neptune's swirling clouds and peer into its depths, we'd encounter a world utterly alien to our earthly experience. Unlike Jupiter and Saturn, which are dominated by light gases like hydrogen and helium, Neptune belongs to an entirely different planetary category, the ice giants. Along with its near twin Uranus, Neptune represents a unique class of worlds with compositions and behaviors unlike anything else in our solar system. At Neptune's heart lies a rocky core roughly the size of Earth, a solid center around which the rest of this massive world formed billions of years ago. But what surrounds this core is where things get truly exotic. Neptune's mantle isn't made of rock like Earth's. Instead, it consists of what planetary scientists call ices, though these substances bear little resemblance to the ice in your freezer. These ices are primarily water, ammonia, and methane, existing under such crushing pressure and heat that they form states of matter we can barely comprehend, possibly supercritical fluids or exotic forms of ice that can't exist on Earth's surface. One of the most mind-bending theories about Neptune's interior suggests something that sounds like science fiction but is supported by solid physics. Deep within Neptune, carbon atoms from methane may compress into diamonds, which then rain down through the planet's interior. Imagine that, a world where it literally rains diamonds in a scorching hot ocean of exotic super-compressed water. It's a breathtaking vision of alien weather happening right now in our own solar system. Despite being so distant from the Sun, receiving only 1/900th the sunlight that Earth does, Neptune emits far more heat than it receives. This excess thermal energy remains one of the planet's most persistent mysteries. Where does this extra heat come from? Some scientists believe it might be leftover energy from Neptune's formation, still radiating outward after billions of years. Others suggest more exotic processes might be at work in the planet's strange interior. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel.